The first step is to simply go to your settings, and then you're gonna have to tap on your name at the top. Then what we're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now once we get here, we're gonna be able to see the storage of our iCloud account. Now as you can see, I'm using the basic one. Now if we scroll down, we can see that we have iCloud backup. So you're gonna have to tap on that, and if you have this enabled, you're gonna have to delete the backup because the older versions of iOS will be saved here. So we're gonna have to delete from here the old backups and disable this option. Now another way to get rid of these files is to simply go here where it says apps using iCloud and then tap on show all. And then we're gonna have to simply disable the ones that we're not using, and then we're gonna have to simply tap on delete from my iPhone, like this one, reminders, journal, etc. And if you scroll down, you're gonna be able to see other apps. So we're gonna have to disable this because they're gonna take space into our iCloud account, and you don't want that. So basically, this is how you can free up a ton of space from your iCloud account. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.